Alpine has committed to launching 7 EVs by 2030, including an electric replacement for the A110, plus crossover SUVs that should come to the US. But first to arrive is the A290, a hot hatch version of the new all-electric, retro-styled Renault 5 vtec. Alpine's version makes 217 horsepower and 300 Nm of torque in its most potent GT performance form, which drops the 0 to 62 mph time from the 5 vtec's 8 seconds to 6.4 seconds. A less powerful model, badged simply A290 GT, generates 178 horsepower and 285 Nm of torque, and takes a second longer to reach 62 mph. The Alpine A290 is powered by a single electric motor on the front axle. It equipped by a 52 kilowatt battery pack for up to 380 km of WLTP range. Compared to the Renault 5 vtec, the A290's more athletic derivative is nearly 2 inches wider and has larger 19-inch wheels as standard. Inside, there's a new center console with unique gear-shift buttons and ahead of the driver 10.1-inch infotainment and 10.25-inch instrument displays. The Alpine A290 will cost from $41,000, and sadly the US won't get any at all.